Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 30th and happy Wednesday. So let's go over the overall market real quick before anything. Let's make this full screen. So yeah, today seems like it was very choppy day for the SPY. And that explains a lot why small cap was, it was definitely slow and choppy for sure. So yeah, you can just see just a lot of wicks and whatnot. Let's just check out the daily real quick. Yeah, definitely, you can tell just barely any volume, right? Just because of the holidays and whatnot. So hopefully, next year we can fix that. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the watch list. Today I was watching, let's see here. I was watching CNFR, IPDN IMAC, JAN, HEPA, IMMP. And I traded IMAC and JAN. And let me go over those trades. First, let me go over JAN real quick. So JAN, I was looking for the move for the break of, for the break of this area right here, 630, I believe it was. I think it was this area right here, 630, yeah, because it was getting so tight, consolidation, and there was a seller here, and it broke out, right? It went all the way to, I believe, 643, right? But I was expecting the move to go to 650s, and I don't know what happened. Like the spread just got way more spready as it broke out. And I put the order out and it never hit that price. And then after that, it just kind of flushed. So I took a loss on that. As you can tell, I got in at JN 632 and it got out at 625, right? But not bad, right? That loss I can handle. But what really, what really ended my day quick was IMAC. So IMAC, if I show you that real quick, let me just clear. IMAC was very choppy, actually. So first, I lost on the trade for the break of this 165, right? And that didn't happen. So I believe that was for the break of, 165. Let me just pull it up real quick. So 160 I got in. And that was at 6:33 my time. So it was around this. So I got in over here, right? And then it flushed. I was expecting this to go higher, but it didn't. And I got caught in this flush and I got out for a big loss, actually. And then I tried again for the break of this 164. It broke VWAP thinking, all right, they should run up now at least to like 176. That's where my exit was. And look at this candle. Like this candle was so whippy. I mean, went all the way to 169 and went all the way up to 169 to 151. So I got out pretty much when that happened. So I got out. I got in 168, got out 155, right? It happened so quick. I mean, it was just hard to react. So today I'm actually down 358 because of the two moves on IMAC, right? JAN was still manageable loss, but IMAC, these two moves I had, it ended my, trading session way earlier. So, I mean, it looked pretty good, but, sometimes this will happen. So yeah, that was that. Let's just check out the daily real quick. I want to check the daily on this. Yeah. Yeah, as you can tell, I mean, this one, there's definitely some upper wicks on green and red, right? I mean, this day looked pretty strong, but obviously, like this stock couldn't hold the 165s, 160s level. So if I draw like around this area right here, you see every time today this body right here is at 160. Same thing over here. Same thing around this area, right? So it seems like there was definitely some good resistance around that area. So, but it's one of those things, like not everything's gonna come out your way. It's best to, just cut your losses. And even then, this loss of 358, it's about 1%, 1.1% of my account, which is still fine. right? Because remember, like you guys know, my max daily loss is anywhere from 0.5% to 1%, right? If it's 1%, I shut everything down and I'm out. If it's about 0.5%, all right, I keep my hands away from the keyboard and I only look for A++ patterns pretty much, right? So, but if it's 1%, I'm done. Like I shut my shop down, everything, and I just leave. So, and that's what happened. I left. So yeah, today was, just a choppy and slow day, for sure. All the stocks that I was watching today, only one did good. And I'll show you all the stocks I was watching, right? One of them was IMAC. So if you see IMAC right now, it's just trending down, right? And then CNFR, excuse me, CNFR was the other one, right? Although it looks like it may curl later or something, but I'm still not going to take the trade. And then IPDN was the one that made the moves, but it still couldn't sustain, right? I mean, before it even made the move, I was out, right? So, because I hit my daily loss, I was out. I got to respect that. And then ENG, I was watching, that one failed, right? And then HEPA, I was watching, that one failed. This one seems like it wants to turn around. But IMMP, that one failed. So as you can tell, just today was a bit choppy and slow for sure. So yeah. Other than that, that's it from me. Hopefully you guys are green. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.